You say fancia. I say tomato. It doesn't seem like much, but when I was teaching the first time, the student, he gave me this book that said, you say fancia, I say tomato. That's not the name of the book, but it was Yao Ming. He wrote a book for the Chinese, and one of the chapters was named You Say Fun, whatever the hell I said. I say tomato. It makes me remember as I was walking to the end of the Great Wall, the beginning of the Great Wall, whichever you want to call it. And I met some guy that was from Ireland, and he was just so perturbed by everything. And I could only try to make him feel better. And he said, yeah. He said he was walking along the street, and there was a Buddhist monk on a motorcycle with another Buddhist monk on a motorcycle behind him. And he fucking ran into a truck, and they both died. He couldn't take it anymore. And he acted like it was the weirdest thing in the world. And I said, this shit happens. There's always death around us. Just die. And only because of knowing how people live and die around us did I know. You say fancia, I say tomato. Everybody lives and everybody dies, but everybody's got to eat. Fancia. Tomato.